Hey everyone, Tyler here. I'm super excited to introduce our new hero product, the 300 GT. Built with the community, for the community. We didn't just design another piece of hardware. We listened, tested, refined, and built something that delivers where it matters most. Feel, performance, reliability, and fantastic value for money. In the next few minutes, I'll show you what makes this product special and why we believe it's a game changer for sim racers everywhere. So let's jump in. We don't need to use the keyboard anymore. In the game, I can handle just about everything with the steering wheel. These functions are preset by me. For example, this one is for return, and this one is for select confirm. Let's enter the driving page. I can start the car using some preset buttons. For TC and ABS adjustments, I use this knob, and the lights are also mapped one-to-one with the in-game parameters. This is for ABS, following the same principle. The light colors can also be adjusted and changed according to personal preferences. Now, the key feature is this programmable knob. It can control different things through different gear positions. For example, now I've set it to first gear. On the left is bias, and on the right is engine map. So I can use the left button to control bias, and the right knob to control the engine map. Next, let's set it to second gear. The left knob can adjust the dashboard settings, and the right one can adjust the force feedback. Then for third gear, I've set it to TC2 and view. It can adjust the view angle. These are all preset parameters by me. I can also adjust the volume, wipers, and some settings in the pit house. The left dial can set the dashboard of our steering wheel. Of course, all these can be customized according to your personal preferences within the driver software. All lights can be customized as well. For example, I've set it here so that when TC or ABS intervenes, the knob lights flash. It can flash in colors according to personal preferences. Now I'm starting the car. You can take a look. The lighting feedback when triggered looks like this. There are many customizable settings according to personal preferences.